Hey, today I'm going to show you how to get a modded version of the chicken gun, which gives you unlimited money, guys, no jailbreak or computer needed. So keep watching the video and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it on iOS and Android, guys. It's super crazy. So let's get right into the video and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to get this modded version of the chicken gun, guys. It's super cool, guys, and it totally works. So let's get right into the video and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. Guys, so as you can see, I'm super rich, so I'm going to show you guys how to download this modded version. So let's get right into the video. So first things first, guys, we need to go to the HexMods website right here, and then as you can see, there's chicken gun. So just press on it and wait for it to download and you're all set. So be sure to go ahead and try this out, guys, because it's super insane. It actually works. So if you go to the search bar and type in chicken gun, you guys can see it is super expensive. So let me just type it in right here. As you can see, alright, so here's the game, and when we go to in-app purchases, you can see, wild, bro. Like, nah, I'm not paying for that. So if you want to do this for free, guys, just go to HexMods. You're going to be all good to go. So be sure to try this out. It's super crazy, and it's fully updated and everything like that. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. This is super cool. All you have to do is type in chicken gun, it should come up. So be sure to go ahead and try us out. I'll see you guys later. But yeah, subscribe, gang, because this is super cool. And it is totally updated. So as you can see, guys, look how much money I got. So be sure to go ahead and try us out, guys. It's super cool. So I hope you guys enjoyed. If you do play the chicken gun, you're going to love this. So yeah, try it out for yourself. Get the word out. It's super cool, guys. You just got to go to HexMods. And then once you're there, you can download it. So be sure to go ahead and try it out, guys. I'll see you in another video. But yeah, subscribe to the channel because this is super awesome. It totally works. So yeah, I don't know who is involved in this, but it is updated and everything. So this is the website right here, HexMods. So be sure to go ahead and try it out. I'll see you guys later. But yeah, subscribe to the channel because this is super cool. It totally works and everything like that. So yeah, I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, subscribe to the channel because this is super awesome. Chicken gun hack. So I'll see you guys later and get the word out with the method. And peace out, gang.